Joe Herrera with the Joe Taylor Group in Las Vegas. We also serve California, Utah, and DC.
My name is Taylor Prince, and I am with the Joe Taylor Group in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Taylor and I are both, I think, visionaries by nature. It's easy for us to create really big ideas. And so we saw in place the ability to create operational excellence, to match excellent vision.
When I first heard about Place, there were two things probably that hit me the hardest and got me excited about Place. Number one is I knew that the people that were involved in Place and the people that had founded Place were legends. And then also the recipe for just really limitless growth.
For us, the move to Place creates excellence in a couple of different ways. Like, it's equal parts mentorship, coaching, accountability. And so in Place, we found that complete business model for the agent.
Our goal and where we're going to go next is just to continue using the platform that is Place, the real estate platform that is Place, as it's been called, the operating system for real estate.
We've done some amazing things, and we're not done yet. And Place is going to be the one that helps us take that to the next level. And I think it'll do the same for other team leaders in other areas that are going, this is great, but how can I take this to the next level? In my opinion, the answer is Place.